Sunday night. I'm going to try and kick her over. Nothing is really put in place, but there is enough to start it. I've got some, I'm going to make some 40 to 1 gallon of gas. You always don't want to use premium, and see if you can find someplace that sells just premium with none of that gasohol crap in it, because it's worthless. Oh, I gotta go get my key. So I've got the pipe hooked up. I have my this held away from the pipe right here. Everything's not real super tight, but I just want to see if the damn thing works. And then of course I have, if I have trouble starting it, which I may, I use just a little bit of this into the bung hole right back here. And you only want to use a little tiny bit after you open it, the throttle, by hand, and see if it'll work. So if it starts up, I will take another video of it as soon as I get a shotgun and deal with this annoying problem over here. Looks like a full moon. Rock on.